If you've been looking for ways to actually make money online, then this video is particularly meant for you. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 1,000 naira daily just on your smartphone alone. So it could be on your smartphone, it could be on your laptop or any devices you have out there. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way you can actually make 1,000 naira or even much more than that just on your mobile phone alone. So this is not really going to take you much of things. You just need to follow simple instruction, follow some simple tasks, and you will be paid inside your Naira account. So if you're out there, you've been looking for cool way you can actually use to make money, probably maybe you're a student and you just need another side income, something that can actually fetch you money, then this video is actually meant for you. So what I need you to do right now is to stick to the very end of this video. Don't skip any part, as you don't want to miss any information I'm going to be sharing right here. So what you want to do right now is to go over to the comment section below and type in make that money. Just type in that. Let's put up the algorithm so that other people can see this video as well. So right now, please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video just like this, so that YouTube can notify you that I just dropped another cool video for you. Like and share this video so as to reach out to more people out there. So without further ado guys, let's dive into it.
Right guys, welcome back. Just like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you how to make 1,000 naira daily or more just on your mobile phone alone. So I believe a lot of people are going to be watching this particular video just on their mobile phone alone, and if you're watching this video particularly as well on your computer or your desktop or your laptop, you can just simply follow the same process as well. It's just more responsible on your system, both on mobile phone as well. So what I need you to do right now is to go over to your browser and just type in the website which is sidegig.co. As you can see right here, sidegig.co. So just go over to this site here, click on it and go over to sidegig.co. So this is the website, and the first thing you see right here, it says earn more income completing simple gigs. So then this simply means that you can actually make some cool cash on this platform by just you completing simple gigs. So gigs is actually any task that you perform. Probably you might be asked to do something, and for everything you do you are being paid for it. And as you can see right here, it says join over 100,000 freelancers already earning on side gig from home. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down right here. I mean, this is somebody dashboard. As you can see right here, if I zoom this thing, as you can see, the total earn of this particular person is 2 million naira plus, and the wallet balance, that I mean the money the person has left, like the person has actually withdraw, and the person has left is just 114,438 naira. So this is telling you that this is a platform you can actually make money. So I could testify to this because I have a lot of people who have actually recommended this thing too, and they start making money from it. And I believe if you too can try this platform, you can actually make money from it as well. So as you can see right here, it says how it works. So join our community. Submit the sign up to join the side gig community to be reviewed and approved. So the first thing is actually to join the platform. Then after then your account is going to be reviewed and you get approved to start completing tasks and start making money on this platform. So another thing here is that select active tasks. So a new gig every 10 seconds. So you can never run out of gigs. Like you keep adding gigs every seconds, like gigs you just keep coming every 10 seconds. So that means you have unlimited jobs, unlimited stuff you can do on this platform, and for every gigs you do, you are going to be paid for everything. So a gigs can actually cost nothing less than 10 minutes, and you can imagine if you're able to do some gigs every day, like in your 24 hours you're able to do a lot of it. You can imagine how much you're going to be making. So the next thing right here says get paid anywhere. So this could be on your mobile phone, your desktop, or anywhere. So you reach the threshold, withdraw directly into your local bank. So here you don't really need to have Pioneer accounts or any international bank account. Right here in your local currency, if you're Nigeria or any other African country, right here, your local currency, your payment is going to be sent to your account directly without any issue. And as you can see right here, we have 200 million amounts earned. So, and as well we have 240,000 job completely, and we have over 100,000 freelancer on this platform. So you too, you want to join on this platform. So some platform with available gigs are Facebook, SoundCloud, Amazon, Twitter, Instagram, and also TikTok. So these are the platform you are going to be using to actually make this money. And as you can see right here, we have some people that have already make some review on this platform. And as you can see right here, this person actually says, "Sir, you get me a lot, help me a lot." Like you can simply find a whole lot of review. Like this person actually make over 250k with side gig alone. So there are a lot of reviews, there are a lot of things you can actually check on this platform. And as well, we have some frequently asked questions right here as well. We have some frequently asked question things that you can actually start doing right now to actually make money. So to actually get started, what you want to do right now is to click on the button here that says start earning. So when you click on start earning button, it really takes you to the page whereby I guess I have an account which I just created for someone right now. So I'm going to go over and log out these accounts and create a new one so that you guys can actually see how this really works. So if you click on this button here that says start earning, it takes you straight to this welcome home here. And what you want to do if you don't have an account yet, I mean for you that you're just registering on this platform, what you want to do is to click on the register here button. So when you click on the register here button, it takes you to where you're going to create your own account. And as you can see right here, first thing you have right here is to put your username. When you put your username, which username do you want to use? Okay, let me just try a dummy things right here. Let me just put this as my username, and my first name. Let me just put all of these details here. Let me put all of these details here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put every necessary information right here. So right now, so if you have a referral, if you have somebody that actually refer you, you can simply put their username, and this is optional. If you don't have, you can just leave it. And the register as, so we have two people right here. We have the users, which are the freelancers, and the brand or the promoter. Those are the people you want to promote, people you want to do this thing for. But you as a freelancer, you actually want to make money on this platform, so just click on the user or freelancer platform. Then the next thing to do is to click on the register button. This is going to take you to a new page. As you can see right here, this username has been taken. So let me just go ahead and recreate this thing again. I've used another username. Let me just simply just go ahead and do all of this thing again. The username I pick has been used already. So let me just go ahead and try. This has been taken as well. Let me just try something else. Okay. Alright, so let me just do all of this thing and just click on register. I guess this should go right now. Okay, so this has been sent. Oh, what's happening? So people don't really want me to. So just on your own, just take your time to do the registration perfectly. I'm actually rushing because of time. That is why I'm having all of these right here. So you can simply just take your own time to put the necessary things, put the necessary information where they are supposed to be. Take your time, make sure that you remember the password you use. Don't be like me. So just take your time. Okay, so this has been done right now. So let me just simply save my password. After you've created your account, the next thing to do is to just follow this thing right here. So here you have two to do before you start earning. So what you want to do right now is to click here to start. Just click on it, and the first thing you want to do is to activate your account, and the other one is to link your social account. So I'm going to start here, which is activate your account. So just click on activate the account. So what you want to put right now is your phone number, because you need your phone number to activate your account. And when you're putting your phone number, although you don't need to put the plus button, just put 234, then your number. Let me just put my phone number right here. So the next thing, because I actually want to activate my account, so they need to send me an OTP, which I'm going to use to activate my account. So let me just simply go ahead and do this right now. So an OTP is going to be sent to my phone right now. So the OTP has been sent to my phone. Let me change my phone back to do not disturb. So let me simply just put the OTP code right here. So I'm going to verify my account. So right now my account has been verified. So the next thing I want to do is to add my social account. So my personal information, my phone number has been activated, and the next thing is to activate my social account, because this social account is what I'm really going to be using to make this money to perform all of these tasks. So what I want to do right now is to click on add new. So I want to put my Instagram account, which is the first one. So let me simply just go ahead here and put my Instagram username. So this is my Instagram username, and automatically this is the URL is going to be generated, and the activation code is going to be generated. So if you scroll up here right here, you see social media requirements, a profile picture compulsory, minimum of 5 posts. Every page you submit must be owned by you and must represent a living being. So to actually get you verified, because this is going to be done manually, so you have to make sure that every requirement they put here, your profile picture on your Instagram account has to be there. You need to have a minimum of 5 posts, and any page you're submitting must be owned by you. So you don't just use somebody username. So everything has to be verified. So the next thing we want to do is to copy this activation code. As you can see right here, it says paste the activation code as a comment here, pending verification by our staff. So that means you have to go over to your Instagram last post, your last post you made on Instagram. So go over there and just comment this particular code. So they actually want to use that to verify your account. So that is what I want to do right now. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on save after I've done that right now. So I'm going to go over to my Instagram account, and I'm going to do that right now. So as you can see right here, it says my account is being reviewed. So you can go over to Twitter as well, add your another account which you want to use. You can add your TikTok, you can add your Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. So you can just take your time and do that on your own. It takes you very few seconds to actually do all of that. And when everything has been done and your account has been approved, because as you can see right here, all of this is still in review, so I'm going to take my time to do all of that, which I believe we are going to do as well. So the next thing we want to do, as you can see, says the social media account successfully created successfully. So the next thing we want to do is to come over to this menu here, just click on it and come to tax. So this is where you're going to be seeing different tasks you want to be doing, because this tax is what you'll be doing to actually make money for yourself. So as you can see, we have 93 tasks available as at this moment I'm recording this video. So we have now 93 tasks that you can actually get started to do right now. So all of these things you can do, and everything actually has a price for it. As you can see right here, we have follow TikTok. So if you follow this person on TikTok right here, you're going to see, let me just view, we have some Instagram, just like a post alone you get 2 naira. So I mean, there are a lot of posts you can do, there are a lot of things you can actually do here. As you can see, we have Twitter here. So that's the reason why you have to make sure that you verify your social media account. So unlike Twitter right now, you just need to activate your Twitter account. So if you're able to just follow this person alone, you make 6 naira. So let's try a post on Instagram and see how it really works. So just click on view. So right here, let's see the task description. So ensure you are logged into your Instagram. Click on the link below and like the post. So what you're asked to do is to just go over and like this post. So let's see the post. So I just come back to this right here. So let me just click on this and go to the Instagram and see what they asked me to do. So what they asked me to do is to simply go ahead and like this particular, which I've already liked. So what I need to do is to make sure that I screenshot this. When I screenshot it, just screenshot it to your phone, and you really want to comment like proof of tasks that you've been able to complete this particular task. So this is to tell them that you've already done this task. So then that is when they will now approve you that your account has been approved. Then you can make these 2 naira you have done. And as you can see right here, this you have to always take note of this as well. I didn't even really check this. So there are always particular number of people they want for a particular post. As you can see right here, they have 130 people they want for this particular project. So once you see that the 130 has complete, so you don't need to perform that task. So if you perform it, they're not going to pay you, because they need 130 people to just perform that task, and it has been completed. So that means you have to check the the tax rate before you even start doing it. So for instance, this tax has not been done, and I just did it now, so and I need to prove it. So just click on the proof. So you have to select the username you use for your big. The reason why I've not done, the reason why it's not dropping down my username is because I've not activated my Instagram account. So after I've activated my Instagram account, the username is going to drop down here, which is very simple. I believe you are going to do that. And the next thing is to do this captcha which they asked me to do. So here we have 18 plus 9. So I'm just going to put the correct answer here and finish tax. So they are going to see that, and they are going to approve my payment, and I already have 2 naira inside my wallet. So if I go to my wallet in my dashboard right here, you're going to see that I've made 2 naira, but because I've not done any tax, so nothing has been shown here at all. So I believe if I start doing all of these things in this particular account, I'm going to be getting paid in my account. So the next thing we want to do, you've been working on this thing, is actually how do you cash out your money after you've completed every tax they ask you. Take for instance, you've made close to 50,000 and you really want to withdraw your money. It's very simple to actually withdraw your money, no problem with it. So what you just want to do is to click on the menu again and come over here which is payment. Just click on the payment button right here and just click on withdraw. You are going to be asked to put, as you can see right here, how much amount are you putting all of this. So you can just click on continue when you've done all of this. Well, let me just show you. Let me just show you how to actually do this profile and put your payments right here. So just click on your profile. So as you can see right here, I just click on my profile, and if you scroll down right here, we have the bank account here. So you can simply just click on this add bank account. So here is where you put your bank name, your account number, and your account name. Then you add the bank, and whenever you want to be paid, this is where they're going to pay you, and you're going to receive your payment inside this platform. So this is something a whole lot of people has been doing, and they've been making cool cash, cool money on it, and you don't want to be left out. So you can simply just come over to this platform, spend a lot of time. If you can spare like few hours on this platform in a day, you can make more than 1,000, because tax are being uploaded every single day. So what you want to do, just come over to this platform, register on this platform, get started, verify all your Instagram accounts, all your social media accounts, then start doing tax. After you've done tax, you always just make sure that you've put your account details and everything, and for every tax you do, you get paid for it, and withdrawing your money is very seamless for you to actually do. So I need to say this as well. This is really not going to make you rich at all. This cannot make you rich. If you actually want to something that's going to make you rich, because this is only going to like give you some little, if you just need is another stream of income, something that can be paying few of your bills, but this is really not going to make you rich. If you really want to know some of the things that can actually make you free, kindly stick and watch some of the videos I've made that can actually make you some cool money, that can actually make you rich online. So doing all of these things, you can actually make money online by doing a whole lot of things. So I hope you guys find value in this particular video which you just watched. Kindly click on the subscribe button below. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video like this. And also please like and share this video so as to reach out to more people out there who might need this particular video for themselves as well. So without any next things, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.